Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to make this full circle flared skirt. Join me, let's get started. So I have here a piece of fabric that I folded into two. The fold line is towards me here. This fabric is 24 inches in width and 44 inches in length. So I'm going to go ahead and then further fold this fabric again. So this side is folded, this side is also on fold, these sides are the pieces, and then the bottom is also in pieces as well. So from the apex I'm going to measure 6 inches and then mark it, form an arc. Then I'm going to input 21 inches from the apex to form the bottom hem of this skirt. So 21 inches again to form an arc. Then I'm going to go ahead and then cut out the bottom hem of this skirt. And then also cut out the waist region of the skirt as well. So this is how the skirt looks like after cutting it out. We'll go ahead and then measure the waist of this skirt. So after measuring, I got 20 inches. I'm going to take note of that. So to make the waistband of this skirt, I have this satin fabric here, very long piece of fabric that I have folded into two. The width of this fabric is 2.5 inches. I'm going to go ahead and fold it again so that I can take the measurement. I have 20.5 inches here for the waistband, which is on fold. So I'll unfold the sides and then join them together on the sewing machine on 1/2 inch. So after stitching the sides together, I'll go ahead and then trim off the excess fabric. Then the next I'll do is to turn this fabric inside out. So to the right side, I'm turning it out into the right side. Then on the right side of the skirt fabric, I'm going to stitch the right side of the waistband. But then before I do that, I'll hold the pieces of fabrics together with pins. So I'm going to pin the waistband all around the hem of this skirt. So after pinning them down on the waist, I just trim off about 1/2 inch of the waistband, and then I'm going to just turn the waistband by 1/2 inch and then place it on the waist of this skirt and then pin it all around again. So after pinning them down, I'm going to top stitch this waistband on the sewing machine all around and leave a little space. That is the channel through which I'll be passing the elastics. So I have here an elastic that is 19.5 inches in length and 1 inch in width. So I'm going to pass the elastic through the channel we created on the waistband. Then I'll overlap the waistband by 1 inch, and then I'll head to my sewing machine and then stitch it down. And also remember to close up the remaining space we left on the waist. So after doing all that, I'm going to hem the bottom of the skirt with a bias tape, and we are done with this skirt. This is what we have here, looking so gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching.